Humani members of the board of director. Thank you for your time today. My name is Warren Fishlinian Dewa Makazila, and as senior communication manager, I am pleased to present this communication training proposal. This initiative has been developed specifically in response to the board's directive and our recent internal evaluation. As we push forward for strategic digital transformation goals, we must ensure that our human capital is structurally equipped to adapt. Technology is only as effective as the people using it, and clear communication is the grace that keeps our operations gear moving. Over the few minutes, I will continue how this proposed training program intends to strengthen workplace communication practice across all level our organization, push existing operational gaps, and ultimately protect our bottom line. Let's address why we are here. Recent and feedback has surfaced several critical communication failure across our teams. They are not just misunderstanding, they are actively impact our productivity and morale. We have categorized this issue into three distinct challenges. First, inconsistent instruction. We have found out that managers frequently issue conflicting directives to their teams. This lack of alignment causes immediate confusion, stall workflow, and create unnecessary friction. Second, inactive meeting. Right now, too many of our meetings lack of clear structure, divide outcome, formal follow-up. Instead of serving as strategic decision-making forums, they are consuming valuable working hours with minimum return on investment. Third, low collaboration. Our department are operating in silos due to weak cross-functional communication. This department breakup has resulted in a significant drop in the overall performance of the organization. Previously, the board asked us to look for an intervention to help us communicate with our digital transformation. Our move forward toward digital first environment will make this communicating failure points wrong way more accurate if far from corrected. To solve this systemic issue, we have designed the communication training program. This is highly structured initiative tailored specifically for our managers, team leaders, and frontline staff. The purpose of this program is simple, is to build consistent, effective, and professional communication skills across all organization tiers. We are not just teaching people basic narrative, we are modernizing how we interact daily. The scope is comprehensive and organization-wide. It targets senior management, middle management, team leaders, and frontline employees across every single department. No one is left out because communication is a network. Our intended outcomes are highly practical. We are aiming to visibly reduce miscommunication incidents, significantly elevate meeting effectiveness, foster cross-functional collaboration, and boost employee confidence when communicating in professional settings. Crucially, this program is aligned with the board's digital transformation agenda. It ensures that our workforce can confidently and effectively collaborate within hybrid and digital first workplace. Let's take a look at the structure of this program. An effective training program should identify the target audience and the topics. As you can see, our target participants are spread across 4 critical areas. Our seniors and middle managers, our frontline team leaders, our general staff, and our ecosystem teams. The core activities are deeply practical rather than purely theoretical. Participants will engage in realistic work meeting simulation, executive presentation practice, formal report writing workshops, and active listening modules. Furthermore, we are integrating training specifically for digital communication tools to maximize our current software stack. Phase 1 takes place in month 1. This is our need assessments phase. We will deploy target survey to pinpoint precise communication bottlenecks across different bus. This data will allow us to fine-tune the training content so it targets exact pain point. For the phase 2, bus 2 and 3, the stage of program delivery, visual, bus simulator and digital modules will be launched. More important to ensure that everyone learns these new standards of communication. At the same time, the managerial tracks and employee tracks will operate at the same time. Evaluation and review are the first steps in phase 3. The effectiveness of the program will be evaluated through survey after the training program present, objective meeting quality observation, and key performance indicator. A full report of the impact will be written to this report. This talent is designed to complement our comprehensive staff well-being goal, our internal measure of employee engagement, and our productivity metrics. Let's go over the budget needs for this project. This budget is carefully designed to be very economical without compromising the quality of delivery made, using internal resources as far as possible. Facilitator and trainer fees are budget at 8,000 ringgit, which secure expert credential corporate communicator. Venue hire for 3 full day, highly collaborative in-person session come out to 3,500 ringgit. Training materials and physical handout are minimized at 1,200 ringgit. Digital platform and virtual tools require an investment of 2,000 ringgit to facilitate our remote learning infrastructure. Finally, evaluation and reporting metrics are allocated at 800 ringgit. This brings our total estimate budget to 15,500 ringgit. In terms of logistics, in-person session will take place in main conference center, where virtual modules will be delivered via Microsoft Teams and Zoom. To stay aligned with our digital transformation goals and reduce waste, all materials will be distributed digitally. An investment of 15,500 ringgit must yield clear organizational returns. We have established aggressive, measurable internal targets for this program. To start, meeting productivity is being aimed at a 40% rise. How to set up agendas and record action items will cause meeting length to be cut significantly and output increase. Second, there will be 50% fewer case of miscommunication reported in our workflow, avoiding expensive mistakes and delays. Third, we are training 3 different levels of staff and giving common language to the frontline workers and senior staff. Biometrics, the qualitative benefit are substantial. For employee well-being, clear instruction means lower workplace anxiety. For management effectiveness, our leader will finally communicate the thief with absolute clarity. For organizational performance, broken silence mean faster, high quality cross-team execution. And for digital transformation, our team will finally process the soft skills required to thrive in a hybrid modern corporate ecosystem. To conclude, this training proposal is not only an elective educational course, but also a direct strategic solution to one of our self-communication problems, which we see in everyday practice. It fits the box digital transformation mandate. It based on a carefully teach pedagogical model. It designed to ensure operational continuity through a hybrid of approach. And it demands a disciplined investment of 15,500 ringgit, which yield hard productivity and retention benefit. Therefore, we respectfully request the board's approval today to proceed with phase 1 of the communication training program, so we can begin our assessment next month. Thank you for your time and consideration. I will be happy to answer question and will appreciate your comments. That's all for me.